Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll show you how to manage lab tests in the hospital management system, creating a test, tracking its progress, and recording the results so every patient's diagnostics stay properly documented. Let's get started. From the sidebar, click the search menu at the top and type Hospital to filter your modules. Then click Hospital Management to open the administration area. Next, click the Lab Tests section to open the Lab Testing module. This shows you where all your lab tests are documented, ready to be viewed, added, or updated. To add a new lab test, click here. On the form that opens, select the patient from the dropdown. This automatically pulls in the doctor responsible for the test, so the record stays linked to the right people. Next, enter the name of the test to specify exactly what's being examined. Then classify the test under the right category or department. This keeps your diagnostics organized and easy to filter later. Now set the cost of the test. This is what the patient is charged for the diagnostic, so set it to match the service. Click the date field to set the date and time the test is scheduled for. Then set when the sample was collected, a useful timestamp for tracking turnaround. Next, specify when the results are expected or were recorded. Set the current status of the test. For example, in progress while you await results. Once everything looks right, click Create to save the new lab test in the system. Your new lab test now appears in the list. Click the eye icon here to view it. This is the real power of lab records. Once the test is done and results are back, you come right back here to update it. Click here to edit the entry. Set the status to completed to show the test has been finished and the results are in. Then record the test findings in the results field, the outcome of the examination. Use the notes field to add context and recommendations, like why the test was ordered and any next steps for the patient's care. Once the results and notes are in, click Update to save all your changes. And that's a wrap on lab tests. You've just learned how to create a lab test, track its status, and come back to record the results in notes once they're ready. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial as we continue setting up your hospital management system.